So hello there friends, Harsh here, back with yet another video at Robotech. I know you guys must be tired with the introduction, the introductory line. So I hope you all help me with the new one in the comment section below. It's always open for you all. Just give me a suggestion. I'm not able to think of one. So without wasting time, the today's topic for the video, as you all would have seen in the name of the video below, that's overclocking your Pi 4. So let's do that without wasting time, and it's pretty easy, pretty good. So let us see the default thing of the Pi. So to do that, we'll click watch vc gen cmd. This command enables us to measure different things, and the watch thing will continuously report the current thing, the whatever we are measuring the current every 2 seconds. So we want the clock speed of the Pi. So the default one is called the stock arm, so we are measuring that. So watch vc gen cmd measure arm, measure clock space arm, and hit on enter. So we are getting the default thing here. I'll keep it at a side. So default, as you all can see, it's around 600 700 when no work is done, but as soon as I just start doing some work, as you all can see, I opened the web browser, so it jumped on to 1500, which is the default, the stock arm. So that's that. And now to overclock it, we'll just control C out of here, and then there are two ways to do this. Either take out the SD card from your Pi and insert it into your desktop computer, that's your laptop, and edit the things there. Under the boot for directory, there you will get the config.txt file where you have to do it. But in this case, the other option is which we are following using the terminal of the Pi itself. So we'll go to /boot /config.txt, and inside this you have to scroll down till we see a line commented saying uncomment to overclock the arm, as you all can see. And here we will just remove it, hit on enter. We have to add one line here to supply over voltage, that's supply more voltage to the Pi than the current thing. So because we are increasing the speed of the thing, that's the increasing the speed of the CPU, so more voltage is required. The Pi Foundation has found out that it is 2147 till where we can go, but I safer side keep it at 2100. And to overclock the GPU, again we have to type GPU FREQ is equal to 750. Default is 600. You can go till 750. I will just stop it at 700 to avoid any trouble. And remember, whatever you are doing here is at your own risk, so please take that. I won't be responsible, nor Robotech will be. So whatever you will do will be at your own risk. So just save it, hit on Y, hit on enter. So that's done. You are out of the thing. Now just reboot the Pi. I will stop the recording until the Pi boots. Then again we will check the clock arm, and that's done. Such small things for the overclocking of the Pi. So I'm hitting on enter and stopping the recording. So as you all can see, we are back into the Pi. So let's measure the clock speed once again. So watch why is it slow? Yes, watch vc gen cmd space measure underscore clock space arm. So that's that, and let's see, it's 1000 around that. And if we start moving, it will go till 2100. It should go. If it does not, we'll see. Let's see, it's going. See, as you all can see, it has gone to 2100. So that's that. We have overclocked the Pi successfully. Everything is working fine. And just for your information, if you all try something and end up having a non-booting Pi, that's the Pi is not booting up, instead of having trouble and doing anything, just take out the SD card, put it into your laptop, again go into the config.txt file, and there just comment out the lines again which we uncommented, and that again successfully you will be able to boot into the Pi. And just don't go about 2147 for the ARM frequency and above 750 for the GPU frequency, because everything has been tried by the people and I have also researched about it. So basically the maximum is 2147 for the ARM frequency, and GPU should be at 750. So please do that if you are all doing and you want it to go above 2100. Else I would suggest 2100 for the ARM frequency and 700 for the GPU frequency. It works just well. So that's that. We have overclocked the Pi. Again we'll try to open the web browser. It will be faster and the frequency will also go up, as you all can see, at 2100. So that's that, we have completed it. In the upcoming video we will be seeing how to keep the Pi cool so that nothing happens to it. So that's good. So stay safe, stay happy, stay tuned to my videos, that's important. Subscribe, like and click on the bell icon. So do these things, don't forget. And thank you. Yes, I want a new introductory line, please down in the comment section.